Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Let's get back to work on our Born Free 16 bike. Stick around. All right, here we are back on Ultor, our Born Free 16 bike, and today the agenda is to get the top end of the engine on here. That means putting the pistons in there, putting the cylinder on, putting the head on, and then go ahead and throw on the primary. So we got a lot of work to do today. I don't want to talk a whole lot. I just want to get the work done because we have to get this thing wrapped up and get this bike out to California. So without further ado, let's get these pistons on and get the cylinder on. Got the engine all buttoned up, ready to plug in, but a couple quick notes from earlier videos when you guys were watching this build series was we decided against running that generator in opposition to running a total loss battery system because this is a show bike. Not gonna get a whole lot of road time. It will get some road time, but we decided to go total loss on the battery because we are running LEDs up front. Speaking of, check this out. Boom! And let's see what we got out back. Oh yeah, so we got lights, we got it ready to go. Now the next portion of this video is going to be putting the primary on there, but I wanted to show you guys, in place of putting that generator in there, we decided to utilize that place for our oil tank. Now I seen this little idea on a drag bike from the 1960s and I always put that back in the Rolodex saying, hey, that's a cool idea. Maybe I'll use it one day. Well, that day has come. So that is our oil tank right up front in place of where the original generator would be. So now, time to get the primary on and get this thing ready for electrical, plumbing, and firing this thing up. So primary on and we can wrap this video up so that we can get this thing ready to go. Let's get back to work. All right, before we throw this clutch on here and wrap this video up, I just want to remind everybody about the Global Get Down Show in Sturgis this year. So if you have a cool old Japanese, British, Italian, Russian, whatever motorcycle kicking around and you want to bring it out to Sturgis and join our show, make sure you hit us up, link up with us, go to Sturgis, check out for a good time. Also, on a second note, we are doing a limited edition run of shirts featuring this motorcycle for Born Free. If you want to jump over to the website, make sure that you grab one of those up because they are going quick. Without further ado, let's get the clutch on here and let's wrap this video up. Well, folks, there you got it. Top end of the engine buttoned up, got the oil tank on there, got the primary all in, and we are nearing the end of this. Next video is gonna be the last assembly video for this bike. We got to make some cables. We got to run some oil lines, a fuel line, just a couple little things to button up, and we will fire it up on that next video. So we are looking forward to that. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You got those notifications turned on, and go ahead and jump over to Weems Motor Co. Grab you some cool merch. We got shirts, we got hats, we got stickers, we got all kinds of stuff, including motorcycle parts. So get on that. Don't forget about Sturgis that we have coming up. So with that, we're wrapping up today's video. We thank you for hanging out. If you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.